Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Core Java for Automation series. In the last video, we saw about two keywords. One is this, and next one is static. We saw. Okay. In this video, we are going to see another keyword that is super. Okay, so how to use a super keyword in Java? So that is what is the learning which you are going to do in this particular video. Okay, the super keyword in Java, it is used to refer the immediate parent class, okay, of a subclass. So that is understanding, right? If there are two classes, a parent class and a child class, if I want to refer something from child class to parent class, I can use a super keyword. Okay, it is used, right, with the help of inheritance to access the parent class methods, constructors or variables. If there are, right, constructors, right, methods and variable in the parent class, to access that we can use the we'll normally use inheritance. To override that, we'll go for the super class. If we want to override from right child class to the from the parent class to the child class, we can go for right the super keyword. Okay, so let me create two classes here. One is a parent class. Okay, next one is first one is a parent class. Okay, now I will initialize one value. Okay, int, okay, value equal to 20. Okay, I'm initializing one variable with the data type int, and the value is 20 in the parent class. Okay, suppose, right, I create another class, child class. Okay, I'll include the public static void main also. Okay, here I'll initialize another value, same variable, value equal to some 40. Okay, so I just have we have two classes, parent class and child class, right? Suppose, right, I create one method, void display. Okay, I create sysout. Okay, child value, 1 minute. Okay, value. Okay, so this is going to print the child value. Suppose I want to invoke the super class, right? For that, I'll just copy and change it. Parent, okay, parent value. So I'll give super dot value. Okay, so if I give super dot value, what happens? It's going to write invoke, but we need to extend it. So as I told you, it works with inheritance. Okay, extends, right, parent we have to give. Okay, so right now if I create an object, child c equal to new child. Okay, c dot display, right. If I give, it should print both the parent value and the child value here. Okay, let me run the program. So it's going to print both the child value and also the parent value. So super keyword, it is used to refer the immediate parent class. Okay, so that is how we can use super keyword in variable. Now we'll see how to use it in method also. Okay, let me create another two class now. animal. Okay, animal. I'll create one method void sound. Okay, I'll give sys out makes sound. Okay, so now this is an one right parent class. Now we'll have a right child class also, dog. Okay, public static void main. Okay, I will copy the method. Okay, and I'll go to dog, right, and right, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so I'm going to paste here. Okay, so in that right, first right, what I'll do is right, I'll give, okay, super. If I want to right, call the parent class right method, I should give super. Okay, so within extended extends animal. Okay, you can, if I want to call the parent class method, that is sound in dog, first we need to extend it, and then I will need to give the super dot sound. Okay, so animal makes sound, sorry, dog makes sound. Here writes animal. Okay, now what I'll do is right, I will again create an object for dog, d equal to new dog d dot, okay, sound. Okay, let me run the code now. So it brings both animal makes sound and dog makes sound. So if I want to call the parent class method, I need to give super dot sound, then I can run call that method. Okay, so this overrides the parent class method. Right, if suppose right, if it is overdone, if I want to use the parent class method, I need to give the super. Here it's overdone, right? If I want to right use the parent class method, I need to give the super dot sum. Okay, so this is how we can use right super keyword in method level. Okay, let us see an example how to use right in the constructor level. Okay, so I'll go for an Selenium example here. Let me create a class base page. Okay, then okay, then I'll give web driver. Okay, then I'll create a constructor. Okay, so I'll create a constructor. What is a constructor? A method which is having the same name like the class name. It's called as an constructor. Okay, now what I'll do is right, I'll create a constructor and I'll use this keyword which we right practice in the last word. Okay, so it is going to right refer the current class, right, variable. If you don't give this, then driver becomes a parameter, right, instead of referring the instance variable. Okay, now I give base page web driver this dot driver. If I don't give this, then it becomes a parameter. All right, so now I'll create another method here, void click element. Okay, so I'll give void click element. we normally use the page object model, right? By locator, okay, driver dot find element, okay, locator, okay, dot click. Okay, so I need to import the by interface. Okay, now right void click by locator we give. Okay, now let me, this is a parent class which has, right, a constructor and a method click element here. Okay, now let me right, go and create another class login page. Okay, now I'll include the right, no need of, just I'll give a demo. Okay, so login page. Okay, now what I need to do is, right, I need to extend the base class, right, we, it works with the inheritance. Okay, extends base page. Okay, now login page, right, and we need to add the constructor here. Add constructor, right, login page web driver super driver. Okay, so what happens, right, I just, right, going to call the parent constructor here. So for that I given, right, super driver here, so it calls the, right, parent, right, class driver, right, in the subclass. Okay, so this is how, right, I just created a constructor by referring the, calling the parent class constructor. What is a parent class constructor here? Base package, base page, and this driver we need to call to the, right, this one, right, the child, right, class, right. For that I created a constructor and referred super, so that it, right, calls a parent class constructor. Okay, now I'll give, if I want to call the method also, right, we already saw in the previous, right, code, right, void login. Okay, I give super dot click element. So here I'm calling the parent class constructor with the help of this, the parent class method with the help of super dot click element. Okay, so this is how we can use, right, super in variable, super in method, and super in constructor also. Okay, so right here like this we can integrate this super in our automation world. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. All right, meet you soon in the next part of video. And one thing, right, I just thought of saying you. Okay, in the official site, right, JS testing site, 1 minute. Okay, in the official site, right, if you want this, all this Java code, I push the Java code, right, all this, right, the learnings which we did, right, you can get here whatever we learned, right, I'm just pushed it, so you can, right, get, right, purchase, and right, if you want you can take this code from the official JS testing academy site. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next part of video. Bye.